Hey guys, today I'm replacing the back glass of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This device was in the back pocket of the owner and he forgot to remove it before sitting down. This is the result. The back is cracked. I started to hit the back of the device on the highest setting on my heat gun for at least 1 to 2 minutes. After that, I tried to use a suction cup, but it is not working. So the next step to start removing the back of this device is to use a metal tool to start removing the back of the device. By using a metal tool, I'm going to have a small opening where I can start to insert my tools in. The first try didn't work, so I had to hit the back of the device once again in order to have that section of the device at a good temperature. And I will start again to use my metal tool to continue removing the lower section of the back glass. Once we have a small opening, we need to take our tool and run it to the bottom portion of the back glass. We went through the lower section of the device easily because the temperature of the device is good and the double-sided tape is very soft at this moment. And then we started to go through the left side of the device and continue to run our tool on that side. So near the camera, I made sure that I did not insert the tool far inside in order to avoid striking the cameras. I put my smallest suction cup at the lowest portion of the device to have a placeholder. This is going to help me avoid the back glass to stick on the body of the device once again. So at this moment, the right side of the device is still very difficult to remove. A lot of cracked glass while using my metal tool to try to remove it. So the best thing that you can do in that scenario is to hit again the right side of the device. It is going to help the double-sided tape get ready to be removed. So after a little bit of a hitting, the right side of the device is getting disconnected very easily from the frame of the device. After that, I took my favorite tool, my green scalpel, and started to remove the right side of the back glass that is still stuck on the body of the device. As you saw it, if the device is not in the good temperature, if you put your tool in, the glass is going to crack. I had only the top portion of the back glass untouched, so after hitting that area, I can just take the back glass out of the device. As you saw it, the back is out, everything went well. Before we prep the body of the device, we need to inspect the old back glass, compare it to the new back glass, and transfer any component that is on the old back glass that can be transferred onto the new back glass. There are a few things that are on the old back glass that can be transferred onto the new back glass, but I'm not going to transfer any because they are not necessary. If it was the S20 Ultra or one of those kind of device, you will need to transfer the microphone onto the new back glass. Also very important, you need to clean the old body of the device before you install the new back glass. If you do not clean to perfection the old double-sided tape that is still on the body of the device, your new back glass will not stick to the device and it might come off after a week or at most a month. This is the new back glass, and as you can see, I added a little bit of B7000 on top of the double-sided tape. This is going to help the device get sealed better. The installation of the new back glass is very easy. You need to align the top of the device with the back glass, and then after that, close the back glass onto the body of the device and then inspect the device for anything that is out of normal. If everything is good, you can start applying some pressure with your fingers for the back glass to start to stick onto the body of the device. I recommend that you temporarily remove the protecting film on the back of the back cover and then start inspecting the device for anything unusual. After that, you can start to apply more pressure with your fingers. At this point, you might say that the repair is done, but there is one more thing that you need to do to make sure that the device is sealed in the most perfect way. You need to use some clamps to apply some pressure, some constant pressure on your device for at least 10 to 15 minutes. The constant pressure that is going to be exerted on your device is going to help your device get sealed better. Here I'm using two kinds of clamps. The longer clamps are the professional repair clamps that I use every day, and the other two are the paper binding clamps. Paper binding clamps also can be a good source of constant pressure for repairing your device. All the clamps removed, the device is a little bit dirty and I need to clean it after. But the device is completely sealed now. There is nothing wrong with the back of this device. And at this moment, I need to inspect the device once again to make sure everything is in the good positioning and nothing is out of normal. Everything is good. The back needed a good cleaning. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end, subscribe to our channel, Electronic Repair Solutions, Earthbeat.